Kids, fancy some milk and cookies? Oh, I do love it at bedtime. Start with a circle for the cookie and a smiley face. Rosy cheeks. And of course, don't forget the chocolate chips. Or are they raisins or Smarties? What do you want on your cookie? It's all up to you. Little arms and legs. And next to it, a glass of milk. Yummy milk, good for the bones, you know. Smiley face there too. And some hands and legs. And did you know that cookies and milk are best friends? So they're holding hands. Darkening up the border to make our colours stand out. Ready to paint. Okay, let's go for brown for our cookie, because our cookie is a chocolate cookie. Yummy, yummy. What's your favourite cookie? Do you like chocolate chip? Do you like Nutella cookies? How about vanilla cookies? Have you even tried fudge caramel cookies? Or mint choc chip? Even better. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Right, darker brown for our chips and the hands and feet. Lovely. Bit of dark chocolate never did anyone any harm. Same for the glass of milk, hand and feet. Now we're going for peachy cheeks. Onto blue to represent our glass. So the outer part is all going to be blue, carefully going down the sides of our milk. And then we're going for a very pale silver colour, which is almost white, to represent our milk. Carefully going around the facial features, eyes and cheeks. With a small paintbrush, that will do the job. And we're done. Some peachy cheeks there too. And there you have it. Cookies and milk. Oh, yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art